Dough.
Dough, and we put it we put it a little bit chicken. You can put it. What do you want? Put it inside a little bit. Now you need to put it over here.
What do you do? Again, explain. What is that?
A dumpling. It's a dumpling.
No, but what's that? What are you doing now?
I'm putting the water around.
You're putting the water around. Ooh, good. Why do you put the water around?
Because that's gonna be close.
Okay, it's gonna stick.
It's not gonna stick. Oh, yeah. Now it's done. We can put it back in the
Oven.
oven.